I hope you're doing great. A warm welcome in this video. I wholeheartedly welcome you all on the Kingdom of Carola Mar Club. Guys, you might be wondering why I am here. So, I am here to give you with Carola Mar Club reviews. So, stay tuned and do like and subscribe our channel too. Guys, it is a new wonderful resort on South Andros. If you love the resort and if you wanted to have a good place to hang out, you can explore it. It offers marvelous accommodations, phenomenal food, large private beach, bar, and well trained and professional staff. So, guys, it says that yes, it is surrounded by lush vegetation. Carola Mar Club and our inviting villas and suites are enveloped by the stunning natural beauty that only going to embrace you with nature. It will reflect the ethereal design of the accommodations combined with environmental practices. So you're going to find out the ethereal designed, the ethereal devoted and exceptionally delivered behavior. Guys, as you can see, the pictures are amazing. You can easily check out the YouTube version of the Carola Mar Club. You will going to get so many verdicts about it. So guys, as per my investigation, the club has achieved almost 5-star rating by its customer, especially in cleanliness, in service, in value. As per the free deals, it provides free parking, pool, free entertainment, free internet, bar, gym for workout and special spa arrangements for you. So you can see this is the bedding. It gives you the best experience ever. Guys, as per the customer reviews, if we talk about, the place is amazing and restful. The pictures and the place is quite amazing. Even the customers are enjoying. But guys, some of the users are not happy. They have given 3 rating out of 5 because they didn't find any free place for parking. They find rush over the place. So guys, it is better to book your room before going. You can easily book the place, reserve your stay. And guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe our channel so that it will motivate us to give you the better information. Afterward, guys, you can see the pictures are quite amazing. It spokes out that yes, the place is for vegetarian people too. If you guys are vegetarian or vegans, you can easily go and have tasty and flavorful food as per the website. So guys, yes, the bar facility is also there. If you wanted to do party with your friends or you wanted to hang out with your family, this place will suit you. As for the dining is concerned, it opens from daily 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. for coffee, pastries, treats and light lunch. If you wanted to visit for beverages, you can visit it from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. The lunch is available from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. For platters and light bites, you can go from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. The light music is also there for the customer assistance with the professional chefs. If you wanted to have elegant dining with your special ones, you can book it before. Breakfast is there from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Dinner is there from 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. You can enjoy a new prix fix menu or themed dinner each day inspired by local ingredients. Lighter fare menus and sharing platters are available. You can easily share the platter with your friends, with your family without worrying about the pricing. Guys, if you wanted to know about the recipes, updates, news, excursion trips and more, explore out the resort blog of Carola Mar Club. It will give you the explanation about that it is not just a resort, it is a destination to visit. So yes, check it out. Even you can read out the blogs as per your fascination. You will going to get it out the unique fascinated place over there. Underwater caves is also there. You can go and visit. So yes guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button, do share it, do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for the worthy time. We will see you with some other interesting videos. Have a nice day and enjoy with your family and friends.